Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got two different phone ringtones for two different SIM cards. It is because that we can divide the ringtone between them, and thanks to this set, totally different for the first SIM card and totally different for another one. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the phone ringtone for the first SIM card. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be provided with this list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got maybe not a lot of options, but enough options to choose something from them. What's more, at the very top we've got the option None, and after picking it, your device will simply not use the sound feedback to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom, we've got Add Ringtone option, which simply means that after tapping on it, let's tap, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, and if they will be compatible, then they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and you will be able to hear it and decide if you like it. Let me volume it down, and it works of course the same with all others. So let's pretend that I like this delight option. If I want to set it as my ringtone, then I have to make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.